Hi, GC News. Lima Obibia Akwaba. Ahadie latest and hot news in Kwa enamide Bremo. Eluti se wunya subscribe ya omodi ase obe subscribe to your channel sanse hadie latest kwa na onsa ebeka. Dobe ya se obe click the subscribe button na wabele notification no. We understand new video bia we upload no. When the first person I was ebeka sa video afi ya na wa like video give us a thumbs up na fe share ma ofofo na wonye bi hwe na we hu ensem a ekoso ewo Ghana na mu hano afi ye hwe ye ensem a beto ye pono so ye nyina enim eye Agyapadie buki a ho nsem a edja ofa bebia etese no na mafo twen asere ne abasa ye ka ho nsem no aye hu na mbeka ye the president na lado dan Akufo-Addo e beto bodi so ye fabrication wachi hine kra be kasa se nsem no nya nya no kra na no na Akufo-Addo chese se munim se enye no kra buki mu picture ni se munim se enye no kra mo fan ko Cóurt enye mwetim dia ko Cóurt na ye se makodi eye Injunction se ye be bra obi ansa obi discuss eye Agyapadie buki on radio on TV mutimi nya bibia se ya ne se asem no eye no kra ne se buku no eye no kra na ubehwa abepem na ye hu nipa ko tro sa buku no otana kasa ye hu nipa otro buku no na buki ede ensem oba na we na ye ekubi eye Ashanti for mebunu bi epese wana ma wana hmene so na wana so eche wana Ashanti sem na ya hwe ya eye Agyapadie buki ede ensem bebreba te se ye hwe na yetimi de no ko eto de se da na ye sem ne mo bi nkuti nkomo we ya ekoso mo yiti eye sasemu ya abakuda mo yiti
bi se ya kase Agyapadie buki be discuss na o se nkofo bi de abeto eye Facebook se Agyapadie buku no NDC fo bi na eche and mehu the likes of mehu Atofos mehu eye campaign manager for no campaign manager spokesperson meka omane boama mehu Felix ofosu kwache money manema say John if omo push sa ade no so omo say empanifo na the authors of Agyapadie buku I don't know Facebook no dey beto ne nyende social media no dey beto nyende I was saying why don't they pursue the matter in court I was saying wo mo kire say Agyapadie wo mo na authors no so wo mo na authors who 1PK something that is the point is that then now won't pursue your court this is a book very damning and o share eniema akoso abayimu ene the book no so kan some of them consistent with the book no portions of the book no eka it is a we na authors na say no kra how do we see we court because book no buy from 2018 you can want sama be samri not a single person and I'm yetimi di na kokko say wo gu obi anima say why Facebook am dey about to share we no I mean for me it doesn't make any sense say omo na yes ade no a for mo kokko ni si wo mo si wo mo say omo gu obi anima say ana omo gu manima say but say what dey about to Facebook say I don't need to discuss it. How are we going to discuss it? So, sue them. Say no crepa say fellows of Osusu kwache. Omane bua mamo. Ena akoshe baby. Ene amaleba mo. Ena akoshe baby. Atro Agyapadie buku a. Mote ho yede.
87.9.
Asem na no waka no. Mote ho yede. Asem na no aka until so we be see sankrofo we mu no me Ivan Sametia hu Agyapadie buku ansanka eye no kore enka by now ya court order say mo bi anka ho asem media house a ubeka bi no because asem no dey akokot intime establish here but obi antin na country ana wo say jo he ana man pani so na do yatum hwe Agyapadie o che so na do yatum Agyapadie buku no we do yatum Agyapadie buku no o ye MPP ni team wa ha it goes beyond MPP it's not even about MPP and politics is adia say emu nsem no a ye didi agrosa no say adia ebetimi adia ebetimi ede oyoni aba oman we mu
because it evokes tribal sentiment.
Now, only forward the tussle.
So evokes tribal sentiment. It's any MPP and this year. No. Agyapadie bukuno any MPP and this year. Share. Idea cause war Rwanda. The cause war Rwanda. And send me near Kanwano. Idea ama amai no be abo. And one send me and ye Kanwano. It will MPP ni Emma we and find your politics. Agyapadie bukuno and your politics. It has nothing to do with MPP. It has nothing to do with NDC. It has everything to do with tribal sentiments.
Anyhow, a section of I imagine say
so people be na go shebe and no matter what look at it from kokko na si wo mo na ko Cóurt Injunction say okay fine e mo bi anka wanse mo bi because enye no korre now what the ediya batu jade na Facebook say o mo na you say authors of the book the omo ya bo mudi ewo mu no omo be ko Cóurt na enipa bi a omo ka buku ni ho asem no because ye ni omo de buku na ba abonte ne manema no omo arrest Cóurt restrain ni omo no ye de ye be fa ne say ade ne no korre and ya kan say ade we no enya MPP asem u MPP ni a twon firi ho when your politics we enya politics
Bible we cry we politics
no say the mimi hu no tie say John enya ma ye dame no tie
politics but enya MPP and DC because the omu ye no politics no more ye
mama kind of partisan politics
that is the point
mama kind of partisan politics
because omu ye serious politics pa no more ye
that we are more or less like a tribal war in a very subtle way in a very subtle way
and man opinion can say
so it is a when the politics where asade we mu and the partisan politics where asade we na me nim the obesa wo kire
any
na me nim the obesa wo kire so don ko
any and I share you
to our fathers to our future made up of the present and the unborn for whom this well
document na da ho
say adiwe for so am here discuss adiwe you think
document na ye kan wasem emas really den
really say Agyapadie Anas
me ban samansie ya shisha to ho say ochina bi mini wa unfa we enye we unfa we ma we unfa so asi de ma bantin we de said e bia me so do mane se 3 to be channel kakra
yes
bia papa bi on de ono ma wa jucho e ko bi ene wo mu no na Agyapadie no akọ ba bi fro
ya se lawyer bia ko chinyi wo la ma Cóurt
nti meme de ba ko nti meme de se bia ka by now come de 100% ni na ma baba na so me jabi me maame me jabi papa mfa we minua pani ana minua me gine die mfa we se nsa so nsa de no
it is a John T
was for whom this world
of a nation is being prepared
87
MPP deal tia to our foremost Ken Ofori Atta the progenies spread across this world for whom and to whom alone this sacred document is prepared. As the heirs of Nana Apienim Kwaframa, Wabo Nana do Danko Akufo-Addo ni wo. Wabo ye friend say we Vice President Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ni wo. This also the way politics. Nana Kuntun Kunuku and Ofori Atta, our people were never defeated in the wars of old. We were nobody's subjects, and yet after 1957, we were made to live in the shadows of the descendants of people. Babo bafo Akoto ni wo.
Unse
bafo Akoto wabo ni di wo.
Baba unse o hwe Agyapadie buku yi. Ha man pene Akufo-Addo kasa.
Ya kan wasem wa.
Kasa about.
Ya kan wasem wa.
Nkruma ne after independence ne ma course na.
Ya kan wasem wa.
Until say Dabi, or to say bedroom.
Now look,
yeah, there's no one about
we were made to live in the shadows of the descendants of people who never defeated us in war, while the Ashanti kingdom was uplifted to put us in the shade. In relatively recent times, the struggles and works of JB Dankwa to restore Ocheman to its original glory were thwarted, but he fought bravely to the end. With the arrival of Nana, we see the rebirth of second JB Dankwa, who has come to the rescue.
Who is Nana?
Fully cognizant that
we
are currently part of the modern nation of Ghana, the name of which was originally proposed by the illustrious son of Oforipeni, name of which was Openiferi of Ocheman, JB Dankwa, and aware that it is currently made up of other diverse peoples. We have to assert our old selves and ensure that we no longer continue to live in the shadows of other kings and people whose forebears were defeated in wars. Okay. In spite of our tremendous contribution to this Ghana entity, Ocheman has not been credited with the appropriate hour and grandeur that we rightly deserve in recent times. Currently, with Nana in total control of the whole entity. Currently, who said baby I'm a chassis fear ABC baby I'm a dream MPP. So if you are an MPP member, Asante Mantem, why do you fight this? Why do you defend this? Because when I kasa about grand agenda group of people, grand mean that all the Achem people
grand agenda
for some of you forever. Oh yeah, Achimuni, Victor Smith and Okasama Jerry John Rollins. Oh yeah, Achimuni. Okay, and so are they all not involved? Are they not NDC people? So what is the point? Say all the politics, partisan politics, we say. So I don't me and the MPP for no more defend we no. Members of the Achim royal family no. I don't know what they stand to achieve in this.
Because we have trust. So currently, with Nana in total control, with the black shades, the private married. We party can penetrate. We can permeate.
Currently, with Nana in total control of the whole entity of Ghana, we have a duty to ensure that we take over the commanding height of the essential fabric of the country. In order that even in the event that Nana leaves the scene after the mandatory 8 years, the sons and daughters of
the Nana is found. The Nana is found because Evans, who is the original? Nana, the exception.
Sir, me dem move from
but about say 8 years about 8 years now
it's well established.
Who say me koye law enti me fa say me
ex bi ba ho
nana bia
ex bi ba ho ewo equation ni mu a you share who the X and now they try to find the X but the hammer can the X no is established.
So I find me Nana leave the scene after the mandatory 8 years. The sons and daughters of Ocheman will be firmly secured and such control, both financially and economically, that we can no longer be ignored in the battle to control the destiny of Ghana. To achieve, we need to appropriate the fundamental economic and financial levers which will guarantee such control in years to come. So John, what point did you do?
Mind you di
ba Nana onia busia eti omunko siu omusi enye no kra womunko siu omo a omo ade na babo
fictitious why na
brofo no de best
na mo
t-shirts no
brofo fiction
ade bia book kan e bia no eti no bi ka se book e dey me say we bible free wa book ne wo
oh yeah
because book no you betimi aka me bi na nyina
abrasi
so Say don't and then when I win kind of
except that
we need a whole program. And I because
you go so I summarize your key I was categorizing they are about the economy. Yeah, you said the economy no. They are about the economy. They are about governance. You know,
for almost because but
the issue is that
they buy pictures now more than social media because my who know MPP platform be so say omuna authors now. Why do you said sue them?
Oh, the
man nyamra sem say etia na me bitu mabusua wake kan sem we say afa mabusua ho na me wakonya se metimi ade wakokoto ma boyi wano a
grand agenda
na mete ho na me
grand agenda
when you speech asem o grand speech asem any statement we de nana ne nkwaso Okyehene ebeka debi
ate
nanado his excellency yes nipa no mo cancer asem ne say omo
no crowd Evans even that enka say you know it's being discussed across board shared across board until we can Cóurt na Cóurt am that order say that supposed whatever and you can say public discussion in the parliament no I know Gabi ni ho
Gabi nya Gabi kura Gabi ni refilo no we wo ho attorney general friends
dame
sena so unique so an Owusu go for dame wo ho
Mensah so if you read the book Mesu obian who obeka
Osuma kraso ho Osuma president lawyer
minimum obian who obeka this book the human should why not and that's or share the current development the current events in the country.
You see
I am telling you that
MPP also ma we emotion because MPP nia oye santini oye bununi oye gonjani oye votarian okai buku na ode tutu ne bi ekoso a ono ani party ni we be full party no
right I can tell you that you see we mame nanka me because na discussion ke be no mame nka se ene ya kase hwe mame nka se wontrem ene ya kase there are some elements in the party MPP in coming days Ombechiro Ashanti sempa. Evans, just watch the space. Who tell me? Just watch the space. Watch the space. Watch the space because you see what amount for Akufo-Addo. No one say be normal politics and normal, but we any babantino. Amount for being say no. I was see Ashanti semi. Evans, would they watch that space? And from the happenings at war. The course war UK. Watch that space. Watch that space. Ebi mu say no mo just so mo here politics but sa politics ebi mu here politics with sa agenda no. In coming days ubehu. And there are some people almost who say no if this is so then there should be an agenda to also either owning the party having it back as to its roots and be so interesting times ahead. Evans Benya Brani Ashe Mensah Hamis Tanko Emmanuel Diabeto say who is defending the Agyapadie MPP communicators defending the Agyapadie okay
what do you say?
We have to
go by the president's comments and his position to discuss this even though it's been in the public domain for all these years.
I would have wished the president didn't bring this up.
How do you mean?
I would have wished he didn't bring it up. You know why?
No.
If the president is saying it's conspiracy from opposition, why is it that? Whose picture is here?
Again, he says it.
Wait. Whose picture is here? Whose picture? Whose picture is there? Okyehene. And when you open the document, it has whose pictures in there? it has President Nana, yeah, and J.B. Dankwa and Okyehene in his youth. If this was conspiracy and it was done by the opposition, why haven't they taken it to court?
You mean as an injunction all media houses?
Why? No. If they say they know nothing about it, and somebody has used Okyehene's picture and the president's picture in the document, character assassination, if they know nothing about it, why haven't they taken it to court? Why haven't they? So, if you permit me, I'm able to make my point. If you permit me. The forward is quite lengthy, but I don't know whether I can read it, but I will try. Okay. So that the people listening to us, those who haven't read the document, will see what is in this document. The foreword gives a summary of what is in the document. Let me try my best because of time. The foreword, and I quote, "To our future made up of the present and the unborn, for whom this will of a nation is being prepared. To our foremost king, Ofori, the progenies spread across this world, for whom and to whom alone this sacred document is prepared. As the heirs of Nana Apini Kwaframa, Nana Kuntunkunu, and Ofori, our people were never defeated in the wars of old. We were nobody's subject, and yet, after 1957, we were made to live in the shadows of the descendants of people who never defeated us in a war, while the Ashanti kingdom was uplifted to put us in the shade." Serious.
But that's why it's a conspiracy.
What are you trying to tell us?
To pitch the Achems against the Ashantis.
And I'm saying, if they know nothing about it, why haven't they taken it to court with the president's picture in it and the chief of Achim's picture on it? Why haven't they done anything about it? If this content they don't know anything about. It goes on to say, "We were made to live in the shadows of the descendants of the people who never defeated us in a war, while the Ashanti kingdom was uplifted to put us in the shade. In relatively recent times, the struggles and works of J.B. Dankwa to restore Okyeman to its original glory were thwarted, but he fought bravely to the end." This bit brings politics into the game.
How so?
Look.
What type of politics?
Look. And I'll tell you, the J.B. Dankwa family feel Nkrumah snatched Ghana from their arms.
Because?
When I read you will see. Because they were the heirs of this country. We were the subjects of them. And they've never forgiven Nkrumah for that. Never. I'll continue. Goes on to say, "With the arrival of Nana, we see the rebirth of a second J.B. Dankwa who has come to the rescue. Fully cognizant that we are currently part of the modern nation of Ghana, the name of which was originally proposed by the illustrious son of Ofori of Okyeman, J.B. Dankwa." This is why I'm telling you, they feel we started from them. It was J.B. Dankwa who gave the name. It is their property. It is not ours. It's not for Ghanaians. And aware that it is currently made up of other diverse people, we have to assert our old selves and ensure that we no longer continue to live in the shadows of other kings and people whose forebears we defeated in wars. Come on.
Just somebody's imagination.
Come on. I said the picture of them is on the document. They should have taken it to court to disassociate themselves from it. The president is a lawyer. They have taken it to court to disassociate themselves. Have they done it? They haven't. So we take it that what is in this document is what they believe in. In spite of our tremendous contribution to this Ghana entity, listen, in spite of our tremendous contribution to this Ghana entity, Okyeman has not been credited with the appropriate awe and grandeur that we rightly deserve in recent times.
Try and wrap up for me.
What kind of awe and grandeur are we talking about? Currently with Nana in total control of the whole entity of Ghana, we have a duty to ensure that we take over the commanding heights of the essential fabric of the country, in order that even in the event that Nana leaves the scene, after the mandatory 8 years, the sons and daughters of Ochiman would be firmly secured and such control, both financially and economically, that we can no longer be ignored in the battle to control the destiny of Ghana. What did Malik just read? What did he just read? So they should.
The things are playing out?
Are they not playing out? Perfectly. This is what I've read in here. Is it not playing out? Is it not playing out?
You waiting for winning and somewhere a year after 2 days. Someone said, and you crap on Franco Cóurt. The criminal multi BRC, let's say, in seminar book, let's say, a Tróuble. Now, Mikhail said, this is so, and I will have no. So we now subscribe here. Somebody say, over subscribe on like it. Now, watch the video. It sounds like Hadia latest and hot news in Kwa. And I'm the Bremo. Who's over to me actually watching the fire? Somewhere now, I will comment boxing. In my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.